Hey, my revivers. So, hold on. So, I pulled them off. Those are the new two. And this is where I put the plant. I don't know how this is going to work, but let me turn it around so you can see. Oh, Lord, I can't. Jesus. I can't turn it around. I forgot I'm not on live. But yeah, I can do this. This is where I put her. I got to get rid of those boxes. We put the blinds up in Naya room. But this is where I put her. And it's just sitting between my two green ottomans. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see how she works down here. Yeah, I'm just, look, these leaves are huge. Like, look at my face. These are huge. I don't know. Cameras do not show you the true size of stuff. It either makes things look smaller than it is, or usually it's smaller than it is and bigger with people, with humans. It's kind of crazy. But yeah, that's where she is, guys. I guess we shall see how this works out. So I hope you guys watch the video by now. I don't know if I'm gonna post this the same day, but the video of the cleaning video. You guys, some of you guys have been requesting for me to do cleaning videos, and so I did post one. So hopefully you should have seen that already. I don't know when I'm gonna post this. This might be the evening of the same day of the cleaning video. I don't know. We're getting ready to head to T-Mobile because I've been having some issues and I need a new SIM card because my phone is not acting right. Got a new phone. As you can see, it's clearer, it's brighter, it's better. I don't know. Some people can't tell, but some people could. I don't know. But yeah, I'm waiting for Naya. She has to go to work, so we are going to leave and go, being that I got to go to T-Mobile too. So Rizzy's getting dressed because we're all going to head to the mall to go to T-Mobile. And Naya has to go to work at 5, so I'm going to do all of that. I just got done watering the plant. We're going to have some barbecue sandwiches. I think that chicken that I bought too much of it, so I got to make some. It's snowing out there, girl.
Well, I'm going to be inside.
Okay. Some barbecue chicken sandwiches and probably some chips or something easy, nothing major. I got to do something with those sweet potatoes. I got sweet potatoes down there, and it's something else that I had that I wanted to share with y'all. This looks a hot mess. You want to see the hot mess? Look, hot mess. Well, this got to be put up. Both of these got to be put up. My husband loves that ginger ale. I think it's so disgusting.
I thought he said it was nasty.
Vernon's. He said the one I say is nasty. I think that's nasty. It's Vernon's. Who likes Vernon's ginger ale? He said it's old school. I like it. I don't like it. This is the carrot cake from the girl. Everybody's been eating it. It's pretty good. It has like a whipped cream cheese thingy. Rizzy can't have it because it got nuts. But everybody's been kind of eating on it. I got this bread. Y'all already know why my bread is sitting out. And syrup needs to be put up. Just little random stuff that's just all over that. It's like, I tell y'all, that is the go-to place. I know everybody has one. Ours is the Island. This bottle needs to go in recycling. That jug needs to go back to Walmart because I bought another one and it was leaking. So then it's just my phone and purse and stuff here. But basically, it's really not messy. It's just stuff that we need to put away. So I'm taking that with me, taking all of this with me. And then I'm about to stick that in the... Oh, where it goes. The rug is falling. I can't wait till they come get this rug. They is really playing. Amazon is really playing. I'm going to have to call them again. They couldn't confirm my account because with my new phone, they couldn't send me a text message. And I have, extra protection on my account. So, nobody can't do any fraud with it because I had some fraudulent mess happen with somebody in Florida. So, definitely, I have to go get this phone situated so I can get the SIM card connected the right way because I don't think it's connected the right way. All right, y'all, we're getting ready to head out. Grab that jug. And you putting your boots on? Okay. Grab that. Let her go first since she already got a shoe. Take that jug with you, Nye. Right, Nye, jug. You ever tell a kid to do something, they be looking all around instead of looking at you so you can show them exactly what you're talking about. They be like, Nye, right there. Look at me. How, when somebody tell you to do something, you start looking versus saying where or which jug. You just like right there in your face. Grab it. Let's go. All right, y'all. See y'all later. Make sure y'all check out videos. And some of you have been watching old videos. One of you watched the old video and thought that it was thought that it was a new video because you didn't realize I've been cooking on this channel for that many years. Not a trend, not a cook with me. I say that because that's what they're doing to get people to come to the videos. But I've been doing this for years. Not 2, 3, 4, 5 years. I've been doing this, okay? Many years on here. So yeah. All right, y'all. See y'all in a little bit. And I am going to put my boots on because it is cold. The kids didn't have school today. It was a hot mess. Like, no snow. No snow. We didn't have any snow at all. Then all of a sudden we woke up. Bam! Thick snow. Thick snow. Like, let me show y'all. Let me put my stuff on so I can show y'all. Look at the snow. Look at the snow. It's ridiculous. And this fell literally overnight. This literally fell overnight.